The Jeffrey Rudess brand is built around timeless essentials. The product starts with fabric. The fabric is Italian. It's made in Italy. It's of finest quality raw materials, and it shows in the product. Our design studios in Bologna are of a 17th century building with fresco ceilings, and it's an atelier of creativity. I think the brilliance of the line is in the simplicity of it. It's not runway. It's not things that are difficult to wear. And it's classic, easy fabrics. We use silks in our shirts. We use beautiful mohair and wools in our jackets, cashmere blends in our sweaters. One of the things we set out to do is have a guy feel good. Clothing is about how you feel. Having a guy look masculine, sexy, and I think we do that. The store, we love the store. Everybody loves the store. It's beautiful. The vision for the store was to present the clothing. It was about the raw materials. It was about French lacquer walls. It was about Makassar wood trim. It was about Calcutta marble floors. I walked into Stone Source. I saw a presentation of the Calcutta marble and said, that's it. That's the floor. We don't have to do anything else. Get the price of that floor and see how long it'll take to get. The reaction of the customers, they love the store. They love the product. They love the environment they're in. They love how they're serviced in the store. But it's really a warm and inviting environment, one that's really conducive to shopping in. So we've created something, I think, that's special.